A 3-ounce can of Royal Canin veterinary diet costs $2.89. A 3-ounce can of Walmart's Great Value cat food costs 36 cents. The exact same factory makes both. The can is not. 5 wet cat food brands are charging 4 to 8 times the price for product coming off the same production line as the budget cans sitting one aisle over. By the end of this video, you will know which ones. Number 1. Royal Canin. A case of 24 3-ounce cans retails for $69.36 at Chewy. That is $2.89 per can. Founded in 1968 in Aymargues, France by a country veterinarian named Jean Catherine, Mars bought the company in 2002 for €1.5 billion. It is now Mars's largest brand on the planet. Flip the can. Ingredient 1 after water. Chicken byproduct meal. Not chicken. Byproduct meal. The Association of American Feed Control Officials defines that term as the non-rendered parts other than meat. Beaks. Feet. Non-muscle tissue. The word prescription on the veterinary diet line is a marketing classification, not a medical one. The Food and Drug Administration does not require it. 0 pharmaceutical ingredients in the can. Simmons Pet Food in Siloam Springs, Arkansas co-packs Mars wet brands. Simmons also runs Walmart's Great Value out of the same plants. Switch to Purina Pro Plan Complete Essentials. 59 cents an ounce at PetSmart. Name chicken as ingredient 2. No carrageenan. Same shelf, no vet channel surcharge. Number 2. Hill's Science Diet. Marketed as the #1 vet-recommended brand in America, the flagship adult ocean fish formula retails at 51 cents an ounce at PetSmart. Flip the can. First 5 ingredients. Water. Pork byproducts. Fish. Pork liver. Wheat flour. The first name protein is byproducts. The 5th ingredient is wheat flour. Hill's wet cat formulas contain carrageenan. The Cornucopia Institute named the brand specifically. A 2014 Jesse Brown Veterans Affairs Medical Center study showed the same compound causing intestinal inflammation in mammal cells. January 2019, Hill's recalled 22 million cans of dog food for vitamin D poisoning. Not cat food, dog food. From the same plant, the FDA issued a warning letter to the Topeka, Kansas facility for failing to verify ingredient quality from suppliers. Same plant. Still running. Switch to Kirkland Signature Pâté, made by Simmons Pet Food. The same contract manufacturer co-packing portions of Hill's wet line. First 5 ingredients are poultry hearts, turkey, poultry liver, poultry broth, salmon. 30 cents an ounce. Number 3. Blue Buffalo Wilderness. Founded in 2002 by Bill Bishop after his Airedale Terrier named Blue developed cancer. The promise was no byproducts, no corn, no wheat, no soy. General Mills bought the company in 2018 for $8 billion. Blue Buffalo paid $32 million to settle a class action lawsuit. Products labeled no poultry byproduct meal were proven in court to contain poultry byproduct meal. Flip the can. It is 2026. Blue Buffalo Wilderness wet cat food contains carrageenan, guar gum, and cassia gum, the same thickener Hill's uses. The premium positioning was supposed to justify removing it. $3.49 a can at PetSmart. 63 cents an ounce. Switch to Fancy Feast Classic Pâté, owned by Nestlé Purina. Same parent as Pro Plan. Named meat as ingredient 1 in most flavors. No carrageenan in the standard pâté line. 30 to 40 cents an ounce at grocery. Number 4. Smalls. 78 cents an ounce on the minimum monthly subscription. 6.5 times the price of a grocery pâté for the same daily portion. Smalls launched in 2017 in New York City as a fresh cat food subscription. The marketing reads, human grade, fresh, gently cooked. Delivered. The brand crossed $100 million in revenue in 2026. Smalls quadrupled its advertising budget in the last 2 years. The company's own pitch deck describes the goal as closing a 77-point brand awareness gap against Fancy Feast. Podcast spots, affiliate commissions, refrigerated shipping logistics. None of it goes in the bowl. All of it is priced into every pack you open. Switch to Tiki Cat After Dark. Chicken broth. Chicken. Quail egg. Chicken liver. Chicken gizzard. 5 named proteins in the first 5 ingredients. No carrageenan. Manufactured in Thailand in human food certified canning lines, hand-packed alongside human seafood. 64 cents an ounce at Chewy, or Friskies Pâté at 12 cents an ounce if the cat does not need the named protein stack. Either one is not 78. Before we hit number 5, 4 tests you can run on any can in any store. 1. Flip the can. First ingredient after water. A named protein passes. Chicken, turkey, salmon. Collective terms fail. Byproducts, meat, poultry. 2. Find the nutritional adequacy statement on the label. If it says proven through feeding trials, real cats ate the food for at least 26 weeks. If it says formulated to meet AAFCO profiles, a spreadsheet calculated, it should work. If it says for intermittent or supplemental feeding only, it is not a complete diet. 3. Scan for carrageenan, seaweed-derived thickener, linked to intestinal inflammation in peer-reviewed mammal studies. 0 nutritional value. Costs the manufacturer half a cent per can. 4. Do the dry matter math. Crude protein divided by dry matter percentage times 100. A 10% protein at 80% moisture is 50% protein on a dry matter basis. That is how you compare a can to a bag, honestly. Every brand in this video survives or fails that sequence. No sponsorships, no brand deals on this channel. Every product runs the same 4 tests. Subscribe if that is useful. Number 5. Wellness Core. Marketed as grain-free, protein-focused. No meat byproducts. Founded by WellPet, headquartered in Burlington, Massachusetts. 61 to 88 cents an ounce. Pet food processing trade reporting lists. Wellness as a contract manufacturing client of Simmons Pet Food. Same Arkansas and Kansas plants that produce Blue Buffalo, Mars Wet Brands, Kirkland Signature, and Walmart's Great Value at 12 cents an ounce. Same building. Same week. Different label. Different price. Wellness Core is genuinely carrageenan free. That part is real. The formula still uses xanthan gum and guar gum. The premium pays for the brand layer, not the food. Switch back to Kirkland Signature Petit. Same Simmons plant. Named poultry hearts as ingredient 1. 30 cents an ounce. Half the price. 5 brands. 5 prices that should not exist for what is in the can. 5 marketing budgets the cat cannot taste. The pattern is the same one running through every robbing you blind video on this channel. Layers of markup between the factory and the bowl. Royal Canin stacks vet channel exclusivity. Hills stacks prescription diet positioning. Blue Buffalo stacks an $8 billion acquisition. Small stacks subscription and cold chain. Wellness stacks natural pet retail. Strip those layers, and one Simmons Pet Food plant in Arkansas runs the same lines for Kirkland at 30 cents an ounce, Great Value at 12 cents, and 4 of the brands in this video at 4 to 8 times that price. The cat does not read the label. The people who already know this feed Kirkland and Pro Plan and do not talk about it. They buy 30 can flats at Costco. They run the math once and never look back. Flip the can. Count the named proteins. Check for carrageenan. Run the math. Drop your cat's brand in the comments and the price per ounce. Subscribe. This channel follows the factory, not the label.